we are going to be talking about the image adjustments right up here. These are the how you add adjustment layers. Okay, so if you've got your picture, so far what we've done is we've gone up to image, gone to adjustments, and then used these adjustments. These hurt your picture. Okay, they are damaging because you are actually changing the pixels on that layer. When you go up and add an adjustment layer, what it does is it adds that layer. Okay, so now I can increase the brightness, okay, and do any of these. I am not actually hurting the picture. I am just putting an adjustment layer on top. Down here, what these do is this will affect the layer directly below it. This is if you wanted to see what the previous state was, to reset it, to go back to where it was at the very beginning. Okay? Or if you don't like it at all, you can just trash. This is really good if you are into photography. This is what you want to use. You do not want to use this image adjustment, okay? Because you're hurting your picture if you use the image adjustments here. On here, what you're doing is you're just making an adjustment layer on top. And it is something you can turn the layer on and off. See how I'm doing that with the eyeball? So you can see what it is with the adjustment layer, without. And if you don't like it, all you have to do is delete that adjustment layer and you're back to your original photograph. Okay, so that is why you would want to use the adjustment layers in your photography. It tells you, it's pretty self-explanatory what these are. Okay, when you roll over it, it tells you what the adjustments do. Okay. And just like in the adjustments up here, if you have a selected area, that adjustment will only apply to that area. Now notice here, you've got your mask. Okay, just like in quick mask, we've got black and white. Black is covering up. Okay, so all of the black is covering up the picture, and where the white is, that's where the adjustment is happening. And you can paint on these adjustment layers. You can paint with black and white. So if I come out here and I'm going to zoom in a little bit. If I paint with black, that's going to cover it up. All right, so now I can come in and clean up almost just like the quick mask. And when you paint with white, it will add to it. So wherever the white is you're allowing that adjustment to show, which is black and white in this case, and where it's black, you're not letting it show.